Wow, it looks amazing. So it's fantastic, but I drink it for good luck.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Hi guys, welcome back to Princess and Imani's channel. So today we are going to cook noodles, and first I will show you the ingredients. This is the glass. This is the this is the noodles, and this is Fanta. I'm going to drink it for good luck and take out one photo. So I'm going to show you the ingredients. This is the gas. I can't use this one because it's off. I'm going to use this one. This is the gas, the sufuria, the noodles, the Fanta for fantastic, for great taste too, and here is the wax, and here is another noodles, chicken, taste chicken flavor, but you're going to use this one today. So today I'm going to cook for you noodles, and let's start. But first, you don't forget something. You need an adult to put for you fire on the gas so you can continue. Okay. So my big sister is going to put the fire on. First, we are going to put all the water. Let me just put half because I'm making one in the way. We are going to wait a little bit so we can use the noodles. We are not going to stay long like for popping. Let's play again. Let me show you my favorite milk. It is called Daily Fresh, and it is strawberry flavored milk, long, like it's come from Brookside cow's milk, and it makes your bone strong, you be strong, and your eyes to see well. And so you have already wait. Let me put here. Put it. I do like that because the bumbo sauce will get it. Let me see what's that. Let me put it in the dustbin. And I'm going to drink this Fanta for fantastic. It's yummy. Let me close it. We'll put it here. Who wants me to drink again? Okay. It's fantastic, but I drink it for good luck. Sweet. Fork. Take the fork so I can hear. More than maybe 40 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 39, 40. Next time. I'm putting bimbo sauce. So this is the bimbo sauce and this is the chili. So I'm too tiny. I can't eat chili, but for adults it's okay for them. I'm going to put the bimbo sauce and the chili here. Make sure if you are cooking noodles, you read here, like here, it's written bimbo sauce. Here it's written chili. It's okay. Written good. Let's do like this. It's almost ready. Like for last time I gave you a taste to eat the pizza yesterday. Make sure you have this one so it can help you. If you want to put your fork, put it here. So we are going just to do like this. Sorry guys, that's my baby sister crying. So we are going to wait for 60 seconds because it needs to boil. I'm going to cover it. Just count up to 60 when you're jumping and you're clapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16. Let's now clap. 1 when you think it's ready. Okay, let me try.
Should I help you?
No, I'm okay. Let me push it a bit from here. And then I push it again. Then I take it. Wait. Please help me. Ooh, looks yummy. Can you hear the smell? Let me show you the smell. Here it looks good. Here's the smell. So next, I'm going to ask my big sister to help me to close the gas. Because when I put my hand in here, I will just do like I will just think that it's not fire and I will hurt myself. So I'm going to tell my big sister to help me. Sister is going to put for me so I can enjoy with you. Wow, it looks amazing. So I'm using a plastic plate because a glass, when I touch here down, it will be hot and I will throw it up and it will go down and break. So I'm going to go. Bye! Next week, more videos for my cooking. Bye! Enjoy! We are